wonderful. I always love food in Bangalore. So I have a lot of friends, and especially Abhi, our Amrish uncle's son. And whenever I come, that's where I eat. And today I eat it's like eating at home, and very authentic. And I love the ghee pongal and the puliora. It was really good. Really happy to be here and interact with everyone.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಯಶ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇನ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಟೆಲ್ us about it.
Coincidentally, yeah, it's been, and Yash is a very good friend and such a sweetheart. Um, and we're all waiting for his next film.
Yesterday ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಎಂ ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Sorry?
Yesterday ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಎಂ ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Yeah,
So why?
and I met Shivan also. Yeah,
Why sir?
because I know them very well, and they've been supporting when I had a gap or something in between. They were always there, and Sudeepanna and me, we go way back, even Shivanna. And so even when I met the CM sir, the main issue I spoke with him is regarding the anti-piracy across India. So wherever I'm going, I started my success trip from Ayodhya, and I went to Lucknow, and I even requested the deputy CM there. And so I've been requesting wherever I'm going, I'm getting the issue of anti-piracy, like the piracy problem all the industries facing across India. So that's the reason. And he was kind enough to listen, and he said he will look into it. Thank you, sir.
Mirai cinema all over India huge success.
Sorry?
Mirai is huge success all over India.
Yeah.
Mirai also part of the cinema.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
So Mirai is a blessing. It's a magical film. Every moment we worked for it, it was magical, and it is director Karthik Gatapneni sir's vision, dreams in 6 years, and me, Tejas Sajja, all of us, we came into it from 3 years back, and we believed in it, and lot of homework and lot of hard work. Everybody does hard work, so we stuck to this. We believed in Karthik sir's vision, and today it's such response coming. It's really out of the world and overwhelming. It's really a happy moment for us.
Sir, yesterday you met our Honorable CM Siddaramaiah sir. How was the experience meeting him, and did you ask him to watch Mirai?
Yes, of course I did ask him to watch Mirai. He was leaving to Bihar, and he said definitely once he's back, we'll catch up again. And I spoke to him told him about anti-piracy and stuff. He's like, he'll look into it that also.
So till now, how has been the fans' reception for you in Bangalore? Right from the airport to till now.
It's been wonderful. It's been crazy. Bangalore has always showed me love wherever I go. Even I used to go to Mandya district quite often, and the love it's been increasing by the day. And I thank God and everyone for and the audience is blessing me with such love today.
Sir, I think every actor who comes from outside will make a visit to Puneet Rajkumar's place when he's buried. So, are you also planning to visit there?
Yes, sir, I am. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.